Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a tactical, exhaustive review of the GoHighLevel CRM system, detailing how it functions as a highly scalable customer relationship database. Instead of treating contact tracking like a digital business card binder, GoHighLevel structures data around 360-degree customer behavioral profiles, where every inbound email, two-way text segment, WhatsApp message, and voice call recording automatically indexes to a single timeline in real time. This data architecture entirely prevents data duplication errors while fueling their newly updated Smart Lists module, which allows you to segment leads automatically using highly complex filters like contacts who opened a promotional email but failed to book an active calendar appointment within 48 hours. Everything maps directly to customizable drag-and-drop opportunity pipelines, allowing your front-end sales representatives to intuitively move active deals through custom qualification or fulfillment stages, while automatically triggering background workflows that assign internal user tasks and calculate weighted revenue forecasting metrics for executive dashboards. Furthermore, their 2026 framework features native Canvas forms, multi-step booking engines that eliminate standalone scheduling links, and autonomous conversation modules that instantly reply to incoming live chats. The system starts at $97 a month for a 3-sub-account starter tier, but scaling agencies typically choose the $297 unlimited tier to run hundreds of isolated client pipelines at a flat platform cost. The primary bottleneck is a notoriously steep structural learning curve and a mandatory manual technical configuration phase for secure custom domain and email validation records. Ultimately, GoHighLevel is an elite, high-performance command center for data-heavy operations looking to merge advanced sales tracking with deep communication infrastructure under one login. Subscribe the channel for more videos.